Ever dreamed of waking up to the smell of buttery, flaky croissants, fresh from your own oven? Well, stop dreaming, because today I'm going to show you how to make authentic, traditional French croissants from scratch. It might seem intimidating, but I'll break it down, step by step. Trust me, the result is absolutely worth it. In a large bowl, combine your flour, sugar, salt, and yeast. Then, gently warm your milk and add it to the dry ingredients. Mix everything together until it just comes together into a shaggy dough. Don't overwork it. We want to keep the gluten development minimal at this stage. Form it into a rough rectangle, wrap it in plastic, and let it rest in the fridge for about an hour. Once you have your butter square, pop it into the fridge to chill as well. The key here is to have both the dough and the butter at a similar consistency and temperature. This is crucial for lamination. Now, for the magic part, lamination, or tourage. This is the process of folding the butter into the dough to create hundreds of whisper-thin layers. Take your chilled dough out and roll it into a rectangle that's about twice the size of your butter block. Place the butter block in the center of the dough. Fold the sides of the dough over the butter like you're closing a book, making sure to completely encase it. Pinch the seams together to seal the butter inside. This rest is non-negotiable. It lets the gluten relax and keeps the butter from melting. You're going to repeat this process of rolling and folding 2 more times, for a total of 3 turns. Each time, you're multiplying the layers. After the final fold, the dough needs to rest in the fridge for a longer period, ideally overnight. This extended chill time develops flavor and makes the dough much easier to handle. The next day, it's time to shape our croissants. Roll out your beautifully laminated dough into a large, thin rectangle. Trim the edges to expose those gorgeous layers. Then, using a pizza cutter or a sharp knife, cut the dough into long, skinny triangles. To shape them, take a triangle and make a small slit at the wide base. Gently stretch the triangle to elongate it, then roll it up from the wide end to the pointy tip. The little slit helps create that classic crescent shape. Place your shaped croissants on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving plenty of space between them. Now, for the final proof. This can take a couple of hours at room temperature. You're looking for them to become noticeably puffy and jiggly, almost like a marshmallow. They should look airy and delicate. Just before baking, gently brush them with an egg wash. This will give them that beautiful golden, shiny finish. Bake them in a preheated oven until they are deeply golden brown and gloriously puffed up. The smell in your kitchen will be absolutely divine. Let them cool for just a few minutes before you dive in. Listen to that crunch. Look at those layers. You did it. You made real French croissants. It's a labor of love, but biting into that buttery, flaky perfection makes every single step worthwhile. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's such a rewarding baking project. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious baking adventures. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!